That is another beautiful male cutthroat. That is a nice fish. Oh, got one. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy and you're watching the Jimmy in the Wild channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you can find a way back to the channel for more upcoming outdoor videos. Also, make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. I'd also appreciate any comments that you'd like to leave. For this episode, we headed to Alcova Lake to see if we could catch any more of those really nice trout. So last time we fished here, we caught 14 rainbows and we kept 3. And today we'll be targeting cutthroat trout, but I'm sure we'll catch a bunch of those really nice rainbow trout too. Cutthroat trout meat is very dark reddish orange, and I'm hoping to bring home a full limit of 6 fish. If you fillet the trout so they're skinless and boneless, they are delicious. Well, let's get the sleds filled up with gear and get out there. It's a long walk over to where we're gonna start fishing. Some cold air. We're gonna go over there to Green Cove. We were over in this cove last weekend and we caught 14 fish. In this next cove, hopefully we do a little bit better.
I bet you if we drill down here, find 8 feet and then
okay.
out here it'll drop like 30.
Okay. And we're starting to drill holes. First hole.
Somewhere in there. Yeah, I think that one.
All right. This thing tells you the depth of water. It's really cool. They sell these at a sports place, or I guess the outdoor sports places for, what was this thing, about 150 bucks? 200 bucks?
A little over 100.
Yeah, not too bad at all.
I didn't buy it, it's like 12 years old.
Oh, okay.
At least 12 years old, because it was my dad's.
39 feet.
39, okay.
39.8. And what we're trying to do, we're trying to find the top of a rock. We know it's here because we fished it when the water was way down. And once we're there, we're gonna catch some good fish. Because all the fish are gonna be cruising around and they're gonna be looking for food around that rock. So, 44.1 feet.
Huh.
Here's some underwater video of that rock we think the fish should be hanging out by. We fished around this rock last fall when the water level was about 30 feet lower than it is now. And we caught dozens of huge cutthroats, rainbows, and brown trout. Hopefully we'll have similar success today. 35.7. $50.7. 19.5. 15.9. 11.4. Yeah, we're here now. To start out, we drilled about 30 or so holes. Half of the holes were around that rock we were trying to find, and the other half were over a very deep channel between the northeast shore and that rock. Then we set the tip-ups with the minnow suspended about 12 to 20 feet below the ice. Well, let's see if we can get all 10 of those tip-ups set up before we catch any fish. I really doubt it. You know, before we even got started, we knew it was just going to be an awesome, epic day of fishing. I'm going to try a few shrimps on tip-ups. I'm going to do a few of them, probably half and half, or probably 3 shrimps. This is $5 shrimp. It was super cheap. Try a shrimp over here. We are just going to use shrimp in the first few holes. Here we go, shallow, about 6 feet. Okay, we'll put this guy here. Got 2 tip-ups. Not in danger of falling through today. All right, so on a tip-up, you've got this guy, you've got multiple settings. When a fish pulls on it, it pops up. So you want to make sure it turns freely. It's not set up too high, not set up too low. There we go. All right, 3 tip-ups. Your tip-up went up again.
There's something on there. Yep, he's on there.
All right. Let's see what we got. Oh, there it is. It's not bad. Oh, what's that?
It's a cutty.
That is a cutty.
Here we go, first cutty.
We'll let him go. He's a little small.
Oh, got tip him up. Is that you or me? That's you.
All right. Something's on it. Oh yeah, I got something. Nice. We'll keep this guy for sure, I think. He's a perfect size for filleting. 16 1/4.
Nice, 16 and a half. Squeeze the tail.
First keeper of the day.
How deep is that guy?
That is probably 12 feet.
There he is.
Nice. Ooh, nice. Is it Snake River? No. It's a cutthroat cross. We will put him back. He's a 14 and a half, 15. 14 and a half. Nice. That's a beautiful fish.
Oh, tip up.
Oh, it's really going though. Let's see. Oh, got something. Got him. He feels big. Okay, now he doesn't feel that big. But he's on there. Yeah, oh yeah, he's a nice cutthroat keeper.
Nice. Oh, that's easy.
Yep, 16 and a half.
Oh, got tip up. It's not spinning. It's probably a false alarm. Oh, I got him, yep. I got him. I don't know. That wasn't too deep, was it either? Not dinky, but he's
big boat. 15 and a half.
They're probably biting the camera. Got one while I'm setting the tip up. I was like, is the top really spinning? I literally just was trying to set the hook on that. That's a nice one of the day so far.
That's a nice one. Actually 17 and a half if you pinch it. Nice fish.
Oh, it's spinning. He's on there. Nope. Nice rainbow. I can't tell yet. No, that's a cutthroat. 18 and a half.
Nice.
18 and a half. Is it spinning? Yep, it's spinning.
Hopefully it's another big fish.
This is that hole that's got blood all over it.
What is it?
He is
going fast.
Boy, he is. Okay. He's pretty decent, I think.
Oh, he's a big fat cutthroat. Nice one. That is a nice fish. Right about 17. That is a
deep cutthroat, but that big cut.
Yeah.
A lot of red on that.
Yep. He's got some teeth. Yeah, look at that guy. Beautiful.
Oh, this one's running like crazy too. This yours? That's mine.
Oh, you're up to 6.
Gosh dang. This little draw.
Some serious ice here, don't we?
Ooh, he's a big one. This might be the fish of the day.
He is.
Nice.
That's a nice fish. You want to picture this one?
No, not unless you hit the 19.
That is another beautiful male cutthroat. Fish after fish. Nice dark red streak. And it's another Bear River.
Look at that. Nope, 19 and a half.
18 and a half?
Yeah, 18 3/4.
Pretty close. Oh, it's moving. Got one, yeah. Let's see if I can get him up. What is he? Rainbow. A few hours into the action, we decided to set up for jigging. We drilled another 15 or 20 holes around the point on the northeast corner of the cove, as close to shore as we could get. There were a few huge house-sized boulders that created the best cover in Green Cove. These underwater clips show some of the structure and fish around these boulders. It sure seems like a main route for lots of fish. And the fish had to squeeze around this point on the way around the edge of the lake. For bait, we used small ice fishing jigs tipped with minnows. And it didn't take long before we were catching lots of huge fish with these jigs and minnows.
Got one. Oh, he got off. No, he's still on. $18 and a half. You want her? No? Right when I put it in, I got another one. I was just putting the line down. I was only seeking the line down. 17, 16 and a half. 17. Yep, 17.
Back in the water.
Your eggs.
Go fish, go. Don't swim between the ice chunks.
God, that was quick. Oh, got another one. Jeez, that's a big rainbow.
Slippery.
Yeah.
Slimy. 17-inch. Let's close the tail.
God, that's 3 in this hole.
Pretty good.
Right away. Something's right here.
This is where they're all going around the corner.
Yeah.
Going around a rock or something. All right, here she goes to 20.
Bye, baby.
Here she goes. Oh, got one. Nice. Just another one of these big rainbows. Pole bender. Anything's a pole bender with these things. Beautiful fish. I let it all the way down to the bottom, then I just jigged up, so I get a good picture of this guy. That's beautiful. What I've caught this guy on was a PK, 1/4 ounce. Had a minnow on the end of it. Double hooked so it wouldn't fall off. 17. You'd probably do 17 and a quarter. Nice. There we go, we're on the bottom. Oh, got another fish. On the down. Big fat female rainbow. It's not rolling. I think the wind just got it. Oh, no, there's a big fish on it. What is it? Oh, another rainbow. Nice. Beautiful. Could be a guy, but it looks more like a female. There she goes.
Oh, there we go. Big rainbow.
And there she is. Nice little female. Running 17, 18. Back in the water.
He didn't pull the line very far, but that's funny.
Probably 16. All right, so today, let's count the fish. It's one nice cutthroat, two nice cutthroats, nice rainbow, another nice big fat rainbow, yep, another nice cutthroat, and another nice, really big, nice cutthroat. So that's 6 really good sized fish.
Well, that's the end of today's frosty trout-filled wind-blown adventure. We caught a total of 18 fish. I only caught 7 of those and my friend caught 11. The last half of the day was so windy and it's going to be really nice to get home and warm up. We're definitely going to come back here next weekend, but it's supposed to be sub-zero then, like -15 to -20 without wind chill. So I think we'll bring the ice fishing hut out next time for sure. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming outdoor adventures on this channel. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you again real soon.